What if your emails could send themselves while you're busy doing something else? No copying, no pasting, no repetitive work. Just one simple workflow that does everything automatically. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to automate emails using n8n, even if you've never used it before. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you send emails regularly for your business, clients, or personal projects, this tutorial can save you hours every week. The best part? You don't need to know any programming. Let's build your first email automation in n8n. First, open your browser and go to your n8n dashboard. If you're using n8n Cloud, simply sign in with your account. If you're running n8n locally on your computer or server, open the local address where your instance is running, then log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, click Create Workflow to start a new automation. Every automation needs something to start it. Click the plus button and choose a trigger. For this example, select Manual Trigger so we can test everything quickly. Later, you can replace it with triggers like a webhook, a schedule, or a form submission. Now click the plus button again and search for the email node. Depending on your email provider, you can connect Gmail, SMTP, or another supported email service. Enter your email credentials, then fill in the recipient's email address, the subject line, and the message you want to send. You can even personalize the email using dynamic data from previous nodes. Click Execute Workflow. If everything is configured correctly, n8n will send your email automatically. Check the recipient's inbox to confirm that the email was delivered successfully. That's it. You've just created your first email automation. Instead of sending emails manually every day, n8n can automatically send welcome emails, order confirmations, appointment reminders, follow-ups, reports, and much more. Once your workflow is active, it keeps working in the background, saving time and reducing repetitive tasks. And that's how you can automate emails with n8n in just 5 minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another automation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.